The 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bed liner, power windows, security system, trip computer, power door locks, passenger airbag, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.